One of the weirdest parts of being a creator is that you can be doing everything right. Making money, growing, monetizing, but you still can feel anxious about money all the time. This is way more common than it should be. So if you ever thought, I should feel more secure than this, you are not alone. And there's a reason this anxiety shows up, even when the numbers look good. Most creators who are building a business start with things that we call event income. These are your sponsored videos, something going viral and pulling in a big AdSense check, maybe a merch launch, and so on. If it spikes during a promo, then drops down to zero with no guarantee of more income, that's an event. Don't get me wrong, these are great ways to make money. And I'd even argue they're the right way to start your monetization journey. Event-based income lets you test different offers with your audience, so you learn what they respond to and what they don't. This phase of experimentation and learning is what's gonna set you up for success in the future, because then you know what works. But the problem starts when you stay in event income only mode for way too long and without applying what you've learned to build some more stability for yourself. If you're watching right now, you've probably already proven you can make money. It just might not be in a way that feels stable or calm yet. And the next big step is going to be turning that event income into something a lot more stable so you can stress less. What we've seen here at Uscreen again and again is that creators who get that magical combo of income and stability do that when they focus on one thing: raising their income floor. Think of it like the amount you'd still make if you stopped pushing for a month, especially during your slower season. Creators who do this well focus on income streams that make recurring revenue. They build on past work instead of restarting every time. And that's what gives them predictable baselines, even in slow months. Or said another way, it's having a system that keeps your earning stable without buying into that rise and grind culture for the rest of your life. Nobody wants that. This doesn't just apply to starting memberships, even though we do love those. Whether you do brand deals, courses, coaching, anything else, you can raise your income floor. And without working towards that raised floor, no amount of hard work gets you high earnings and a nervous system that's not deep fried. I don't want you to burn out before you reach your true potential of your business. And I know you don't want that either. But before you start making changes, you need to understand what's already carrying your business and what isn't. So let's take a look at the critical first step that every creator should take on the path to a higher income floor: an audit. Not the scary tax agency kind, but a clear and thoughtful look at your current monetization setup. And there's a few questions I want you to ask yourself. And quick note, it might be helpful to use a Google Sheet or some paper to write out your answers. First, make a grid with months on the x-axis and a list of your income streams on the y. For each income stream, fill in what it earned across each month. I promise we're not doing any complicated math, we're just getting a pulse check on your business. Once you've filled in each month for each income stream, you should be able to answer this question: what streams were the steadiest, and which had the most changes month to month? Highlight the streams that have huge spikes and dips. There's hidden opportunities there to build more consistency. And if nothing was steady and your numbers are all over the place for every stream, that's okay. It just means that raising your floor should be an even higher priority. If you have a really seasonal brand, like aquatic fitness, for example, take a look at your off-season too. The income that exists in those months is another good hint at what your actual floor looks like. This might all feel scary, but taking an honest look without judgment at the recipe that makes up your total earnings is how you get set up for success. Now you know what's already pretty stable and can be left alone, and which streams need a refresh to escape the launch dip roller coaster or seasonal slump. And don't panic, because you don't need to rebuild everything from scratch either. These courses, coaching, sponsorships, whatever they are what got you this far. And they can take you further with just some tweaks to the way you monetize them. Now it's time to see real examples of how creators actually raise their floor without giving up launches, brand deals, or platform monetization. If you're ready to see your best income streams, but better, I'll see you in the next video. It's linked here on screen and in the description. Thanks for watching.